Hello people, another vlogmas day 2, and starting off with the little birds in the garden, or the front garden. Oh, they're gone. There they are, look. Right on the bush. Beep, beep, beep. Oh, they're gone. It's like Dave and Appenter in the wild. Where are they gone? There they are. Ooh. Tweet, 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 tweet. Right on the bird nest. Bird feeder. Oh, mine's been in for. So that's what I was in. Right. Here we are. And that is my little beginning on the vlog. And today we're doing photography. Don't know where we're gonna go. So take you on the journey again and getting the hang of the vlogmas. But I haven't done the whole week yet, so I will see you on the journey. So starting my little journey off, I've done some bits and pieces on my Hogwarts map, or my Hogwarts build, and me and my friend Sammy done this world, and she like stopped it. She didn't like want to do it anymore, so she's got the original map and I borrowed or got my own one, so I copied it and pasted it. So this is my world with like Diagon Alley and stuff, with all the shops and bits and pieces, like a little bookshop in there. Quite nice. And I'm like a little bookkeeper, but I'm actually the Doctor, or the 4th Doctor. We've got Nocturne Alley, got Gringotts. At my Nan's and my second Xbox, this is like completely, or actually the whole map is done really. So that's Gringotts, and everything is like off the ground. You wouldn't actually think it would be, but it is. So you have to go like on all the minecart journeys and stuff to like different destinations and bits and pieces. So let's go over to Hogwarts. Here and there is like different maps, and the maze, massive that maze. I got lost in my own bloody maze. I built that, but bloody get lost in it or something. Christ, that's the dragon, which is actually at the arena. So let's go over to Hogwarts. That is the Owlery Tower, which is loading. Very nice Owlery Tower with all the bits and pieces going down to the wooden bridge. Clockwork Tower, or the Courtyard Tower. Dumbledore's office. Transfiguration Courtyard with the tree. And Hobology. Hagrid's hut over there, if you can see in the distance. All of these are greenhouses, very big. And let's fly through. This part of the build is like amazing. I love this. The viaduct, and that is actually Hogwarts itself. It's massive inside. It takes ages to go around it. So as today's the 2nd of December, I should have done it yesterday, but before I do it in my vlog today, I'm going to make a Christmas tree for Hogwarts and put some some little presents. Is that all? Oh yeah, we need a star. Oh, we can use that, can't we? So that is that. Gonna look lovely, this is. Don't really know how high I should make the Christmas tree. I think I should do it 2 more. Oh, so yeah, that do. That's nice, that's a nice Christmas tree. So that's a star on top, with some torches around to make it light up. Just put some presents underneath there to make it a bit more Christmassy. And some Christmas baubles. Yeah, I think that's quite nice, that is, that little Christmas tree. That'd be good for Hogwarts, for its Christmas. So, is that all? Yeah. Better be off, need to go to Roebuck now. See you on the journey.
Preview. Preview. Preview.
Hello, I'm back now, and look what I've got. I've got an everything calendar. Oh, let's turn the light on. Just come in. This stupid bloody energy saving bulb that you use it. That's what it is. Do move to the centre. Let's see. Let's try and. There's the first one. Pop you down. Don't really know if you can see that properly. Oh my god, look what they just said. Have you written to Santa yet? No. What's the chocolate? It's a Christmas tree. Yum. It's the season to eat chocolatey. La 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 la. What's this one? Oh. Oh. A bell. So, that's my chocolate. Hello, Tigger. Hello. So, that's my chocolatey advent calendar, which I'm going to open every day until the 24th, which is not actually Christmas Day Eve, Christmas Day, but it's Christmas Eve. So, hope you enjoyed my vlog. See you tomorrow. Bye. Say bye, Tigger. Bye bye.